Welcome back to Hoochos. So today we're going to harvest some hydroponic tomatoes. Uh, so what you really want in a harvest is a long fruiting period, and that's what these tomatoes are giving me. And it's fantastic because it allows me to eat all of the produce over an extended period of time, but it's not so great for filming because you don't get this big glut of tomatoes to thrust at the camera. But I've been taking snapshots of me harvesting them over time, and here it is. Let's get started. Tomatoes!
Before we start though, one of the things that I can highly recommend not doing is mixing tomatoes that are green when they're ripe in with tomatoes that go red when they're ripe, because these are ripe, even though caterpillars got to that one. These are ripe, so they can come off and they're right to eat like half green, whereas some of the others, such as these, need to go red. So, and sometimes they can look extremely similar. See these two different varieties of tomatoes, but they're both ripe, but completely different colors. So it's really hard to tell in this mess that I've created when to pick. The only real telltale is the hue of green and the hue of red that you get on these varieties compared to obviously your standard tomato variety. This little fella knew that it was ripe, and the chickens will love him.
So even though you can't get like a huge bowl of tomatoes to thrust at the camera, I'm pretty happy with that. Thanks for watching today on Hoochos. Like and subscribe for more tomatoes.